how to add music on Canva video. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Canva project. Over here, if you want to use Canva's audio library, tap on Elements from the left side. After that, select Music at the top or search for it, then scroll down until you see Audio. Over here, you can preview a track by clicking on its cover. After that, click, hold and drag the audio into your project. Then adjust the start and end points as needed. At the top, you can also adjust the volume, apply fade, or use beat sync. If you want to use music from your computer, then tap on Uploads from the left. After that, tap on Upload Files and select your audio file. Over here, once the audio is uploaded, you can click, hold and drag it into your video just like before. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.